Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing Tricep Rollback Extensions. We are going to begin on the ground. Our knees can be bent, they can be straight. It really doesn't make a difference. We are going to start with the dumbbells by our ears, and yes, they are going to be relaxed on the ground here. From here, we are going to extend, locking out with our wrists, elbows, and shoulders all in one straight line. Okay, so lock out. I'm squeezing the backs of my arms here. Now they're going to lower down. So I'm keeping my elbows tucked in close to my body. They're not coming out wide here. And then I'm going to let them roll back, dumbbells by my ears. Keep the elbows tucked in. Flick them all the way up. Bring the dumbbells down or your elbows down, dumbbells by the ears. These are going to really work your triceps. They're going to work your shoulders, and they're going to make your upper body look amazing. And they're also going to help you lock out on bench press too. So for more excellent upper body exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.